Hey, fifth graders, we're going to be reading this expository text. So it's like kind of an information article. It's called Mysterious Oceans. This week's essential question is how are living things adapted to their environment? I know we've adapted to our environment here in San Diego, being at home. Maybe one adaptation is that we're sleeping a little more, but I think this is going to be a little more scientific, and let's go ahead and give it a listen.
Deep diving. In the ocean, there is a creature that has no mouth, eyes, or stomach. Its soft body is enclosed in a white tube and topped with a red plume. It can grow 8 feet tall. This giant tube worm lives on the deep, dark ocean floor. The deep ocean, in contrast to shallow waters, covers almost 2/3 of Earth's surface. On average, oceans are about 2 miles deep. However, the deepest point on Earth is nearly 7 miles down in the Pacific Ocean. The ocean's floor consists of plains, canyons, and mountains. There are also active, dormant, and extinct volcanoes. This undersea world has frigid, icy temperatures and little sunlight. The deep ocean is a mysterious environment because much of it has been unexplored. Little is known about the sea creatures that live there. Do some of them cache food, storing it as land animals do? Do any creatures hibernate? Some species, like the giant squid, have only recently been seen alive. Before that, we knew they existed only because their dead bodies had been found.
All right, before we move on, we're going to be taking a look right here.
Some deep ocean fish are swimming among tube worms. New ocean species are being discovered all the time. The deepest point on Earth is located in an undersea canyon called the Mariana Trench. The deepest known point on Earth. Map key. Mariana Trench, 1,554 miles long and 44 miles wide. Deepest known point.
All right, interesting as so far.
Amazing adaptations. Once a submersible or submarine was invented that could descend farther than any other craft, scientists could then reach the deep ocean floor. However, exploration has been difficult, so they have seen only 5% of the underwater world. As scientists anticipated, few sea creatures survive in the deep ocean. Scientists knew that food sources, such as dead plants and animals, rarely drift down from the ocean's surface. As a result, animals have to adapt to an environment that is not only frigid and dark, but also has little food. One example of an adaptation to this environment is seen in the starfish. Deep-sea starfish grow larger and are more aggressive or forceful than shallow water starfish. They don't wait for a snail to pass by. They actively forage for food. They reach up their 5 arms, which have pincers at the ends, to catch agile, fast-moving shrimp. Anglerfish also are adapted to finding scarce food. This type of fish has a bioluminescent, or naturally glowing, lure on the top of its head, which allows it to attract other fish. With their huge jaws, they can quickly and easily grab their prey. A striated frogfish, left, lures its prey. Its nose is an adaptation to life in the deep ocean. A basket starfish rests in a deep-sea coral reef. Heated habitats. What has surprised scientists, however, is the discovery of another type of environment on the deep ocean floor. They found that cracks, or vents, in Earth's surface exist underwater, just as they do on dry land. Seawater rushes into these vents, where it mixes with chemicals. The water is also heated by magma, or hot melted rock. When the water from the vent bursts or gushes back into the ocean, it creates geysers and hot springs. Scientists found that areas around these vents are habitats for many species, including tube worms, huge clams, eyeless shrimp, crabs, mussels, and bacteria. One odd creature, the Pompeii worm, has a coat of bacteria on its back. As far as scientists can determine, this coat insulates it from heat. How can so much life exist where there is so little food? Many creatures transform the chemicals from the vents into food. The process is called chemosynthesis. Because of chemosynthesis, animals are able to flourish in these habitats. Those that don't use chemosynthesis for food, such as crabs, eat the ones that do. There are many mysteries to be found and solved at the bottom of the deep sea. In the last few decades alone, scientists have discovered more than 1,500 ocean species. If scientists keep exploring, they are sure to discover many more. Mussels, worms, and spider crabs live near heated vents in the ocean floor.
All right, fifth grade, that was quite a bit of information. So I would suggest maybe listening to this one twice. And then don't forget to go ahead and take the quiz below. I look forward to seeing you on our Zoom meetings. Have a great day, you guys. Miss you.